Okay, so here I am. I'd like to start making videos for people for sexual hygiene, personal hygiene. I do see a lot of times where people will not have a very good education about personal hygiene or about sexual hygiene. So those are some issues that are very near and dear to my heart. As a nurse, I do work with the public quite a bit. And I just want to start to address some of the things that I see in the public that are plaguing people, and that I feel like people are too embarrassed to talk about, and that I feel like people are too uncomfortable to ask questions. So I'd like you to ask questions if you need to ask questions. And I'd also like to address things that I see that are important for young women, for young men, for all people who may be dealing with these issues. These are not easy to talk about, these are not easy to address. And it's something that I feel that someone needs to address. So I took it upon myself to start to talk about these things. And I feel that, why not? Nursing, it's part of my, you know, giving back to my public, and I'd like to do that. So I guess my first topic that I'll talk about is personal hygiene. Just some really simple tips to help people staying clean and really thinking about when you're using the bathroom, things of that nature. These are going to be kind of really PG videos, so I'm not going to get really graphic in these. But later on, I have some information sessions that I'd like to do coming up about personal hygiene products for women, methods of cleaning yourself, things to avoid, things to help you to stay healthy in those areas. So for tonight, I would just like to say, it's very important that when you're using the bathroom, either number one, peeing, or number two, taking a poop, taking the kitties to the pool, whatever you'd like to refer to it as, you're going to always try to use water. Whenever I'm in a public bathroom, at times I'll take either a water bottle that I've already used for drinking. There's a lot of cute little water bottles and things that you can find at the dollar store. I like to make up little packets. Sometimes I'll, put like baby wipes or tissue or just personal cleansing cloths together, and like a portable water bottle that I can use to pour water when I am using the bathroom. It just keeps you clean. And you always want to remember that once you're done using the toilet, there's a lot of germs there. A lot of times, people aren't really thoughtfully washing their hands. They come out and they kind of just do a rinse and run. And that's not really what you want to do. So what I like to do is I just like to remind people, when you do come out of the bathroom, especially when you're using a public bathroom, you want to try to scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. The rule of thumb is singing happy birthday. I like to sing it in sort of a Stevie Wonder way. That helps me, makes me happy, gets me through it. I do like to soap up twice, and I do like to scrub my hands pretty good. After that happens, my hands always feel really dry, so I like to keep lotion with me, either in my purse, my work bag, or at my desk at work, so that I keep my hands moisturized. It's very important, especially around times of year like Christmas, times of year when it gets colder. People do tend to pick up a lot more germs that way. We're getting sick, temperatures are changing, and it's very important. So for my personal hygiene series, this is the first of many videos to come. I'd just like to share this information with people, get this stuff out there, and hopefully more people will be thoughtful about how they're cleaning themselves, and hopefully we can become cleaner as a society. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment below. That's all I have for you tonight, and hopefully I'll be bringing very many more informed videos so that you guys can get some tips, and hopefully we can spread the word about staying clean and personal hygiene. Thank you.